Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today in this video we will see a new recruitment from the Cognizant company from the AMCAT. Through AMCAT, they are conducting off-campus drive for the arts and science candidates batch 2019 and 2020 pass out through AMCAT. There is no need to pay any fees. There is no need to pay extra fees for the AMCAT also. You can directly register. So let us get started. The test and the interview process will be conducted virtually due to ongoing COVID-19 pandemic situation. Only candidates who meet all the eligibility criteria should apply for this opportunity. You can click here to register on this, but before that we will check what is the eligibility criteria. This is an off-campus drive from the Cognizant for the arts and science candidate. This is off-campus recruitment. You can check here. It seems blur, but yeah, they have provided this in the image format, so that's why you are able to see this in the blur. So eligibility criteria for role 1, there Cognizant is hiring for two roles, mainly IT programmer trainee, and second one is CIS graduate trainee. So first one we will check role 1, that is IT programmer trainee 2019 and 2020 batch of BCA, BSc, IT computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics candidates can apply. PG courses are not eligible. Consistent academic record of minimum 50% in 10-12 diploma. Undergraduate, all subject will be taken into consideration. In 10th, 12th and diploma and undergraduation you must have minimum 50%. Okay, and 2019 and 2020 batch candidates are allowed. Okay, so then no standing arrears, that is backlog in the current education. Then maximum of 2 years gap in education. Then open to Indian national only, flexible to relocate to any location in India, work in any shift or domain. Then designation will be programmer trainee. Initial salary, that will be CTC 2,52,000 per annum. Selection process will be online assessment for eligible candidates, and then virtual interviews will be there. You can see the job description here. Requirement analysis, high level design, then minor coding changes, unit testing, documentation and closure. Use tools and techniques for automation of unit testing. Develop stub programs to minimize defect leakage in ST UAT. Then independently resolve technical issues. Then understand the industry business model. Then possess a strong drive to innovate, experience with new technology. So all this is the your job responsibility. Then we will check the eligibility criteria for two roles, second position, that is CIS graduate trainee. What is the eligibility criteria? All arts and science UG courses from batches 2019 and 2020. PG courses are not eligible here. Consistent academic record of minimum 50% in 10th, 12th and diploma and your undergraduation. All subjects will be taken into consideration. No standing backlogs. Maximum of 2 years gap in education. Then open to Indian national only, and flexible to relocate to any location in India. So same criteria as per role 1. This designation will be graduate trainee. Then CTC will be 2,52,000 per annum. Selection process will be, there will be online assessment for eligible candidates. They will send you one email. Then virtual interview will be there. Okay, so this is the job description. To assess problems and issues with the IT requirement and application and help resolve these issues for users, provide technical support and assistance to customers, experience a wide range of computer problems. Job involves on-site or remote technical assistance. It include setting for computer hardware system, installing and upgrade software, troubleshooting basic IT issues, adherence to quality, security and compliance requirement. So should be open to work 24/7 shift, and should be open for relocation, and should have assertive frame of mind while executing the day-to-day task. So only candidates with the listed above skill sets are eligible to register. Okay, so to register for this drive, click on this button Now new page opened. They have mentioned here only candidates who meet all the eligibility criteria should apply for this opportunity. So this is the form. The test and the interview process will be conducted virtually only. Okay, so choose the preferred role. As I earlier said that Cognizant is hiring for two roles, IT programmer trainee and graduate trainee. So you can select anyone. Okay, suppose if I select this one, then enter your first name, your last name, then enter your mobile number, and select your gender, your email id, re-enter your email id, then enter your date of birth. Then this is for Indian national only, so select Indian. Aggregate percentage in 10th passing year, select. Then aggregate percentage in 12th or diploma, then 12th or diploma passing year, then highest graduation degree, select from here. Okay, so BA, BSc, BCA, BCom, BBA, all these candidates can apply. If other highest graduation degree, then please enter here. Specialization, all these branches are allowed. Okay, then if others, then you can write here, otherwise write not applicable in A. Then aggregate percentage or CGPA in degree, you can write CGPA, no need to convert your CGPA into percentage. You can directly write CGPA. Passing year, your undergraduate passing year 2019 and 2020 batches are allowed, so select appropriate. Then number of standing arrears pending till date, select your college name, or sorry, write your college name here, your college state, your college city, university registration number. Okay, right here. Then current address, then current state, current city, current address, pin code. Are you flexible towards work timing, location and technology domain? Select yes or no. By default select yes. Please enter your father name, then please enter your education gap. If there is no gap, then write here 0. Write 0. Please enter your PAN card details. So enter your PAN card details here and submit this form. So like this way you can apply for this off campus drive. So this is mainly for fresher off campus drive, so please apply for this position. And thanks for watching this video.